What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. And brown coat game back in the building, man. It's on again. It's on again, boy. I got that brown coat on. And I need it today. I need it today, boy. It's cool out here. It ain't cool, it's cold, man. 45 degrees out here. Weather is crazy. Supposed to see a high of 60 degrees today and all of that. So you know. Anyway, but I skipped the day, man. Like I said, I've been every other day. I wanted to drop one yesterday cause I wanted to give y'all a video every day this month. November go in and just go hard. But I'm gonna go in, man. I'm going in cause I got some stuff shaking. Car meet November 22nd. Do not miss the car meet, man. The flyer is on the screen right now. That's all the information you need. You see it on the screen. Do not miss the car meet. I want to see y'all out there. It's more people coming out this time than last time. Gonna be nice, cool. Or it ain't gonna be steam hot like last time. So y'all make sure to come out. So today I want to talk to y'all. Like I said, it ain't been no action stuff. Just been kind of hollering at y'all, but I want to talk to y'all about the Chevys, as y'all can see by the thumbnail. So let's get them uncovered. They over there covered up. They ain't seen this daylight in I don't know how long. And gonna get to it. All right, y'all. My boys, man, y'all ain't been uncovered in since here we go. Y'all ain't been uncovered since here we go. What's up, Meech? Got going on, Meech? Huh? Look at Meech right here. Give y'all some sunlight, man. Give y'all some sunlight. What's going on, Meech? Look here. Dolo. Look, they ain't even been arguing, man. They ain't got no heart right now. They can't even say nothing. They ain't even got no heart right now. It's alright. We got y'all going. We got y'all guys going. Let me see. Man. Got these bad boys. They have not, boy, this thing look good in the sun. They have not been uncovered since I pulled the engines out. Look at that, boy. We got a mean, man. I need to uncover the Camaro too, boy. I slick got a mean lineup. I don't care what nobody say. These folk can like me, dislike me, be mad or glad. I got a mean lineup. They got to respect the hustle, man. They got to respect the hustle. One thing about it. Man, a 90 box Chevy, 85 box Chevy. We got the Camaro back there in the back. Ain't no telling what I'm gonna do next. People gotta respect the hustle. But anyway, had to get them uncovered, give them some sunlight. Now Meech. Let me talk to y'all. I really want to talk to y'all about Meech, cause I need to read these comments. Now Meech, sit right here on Meech. Meech's the one I really need to talk about because I already got planned for Dolo. Y'all know I ain't saying nothing what's going on with Dolo, and when Big Meech get race time, ain't nobody gonna know what's going on with Meech. But now here's the issue with Meech. Me, if y'all don't know me by now, I don't like to have my car sitting. I really don't. I ain't saying sitting. I don't like to have them sitting where they're not running. I don't like that. I don't like pushing cars around, man. I hate pushing cars around. So with Meech, everybody keeps saying, go ahead and put the motor in, put the big block in. People that are new subscribers, I'm not. The reason I don't do LS motors, I do them, and I got one. That's my LS motor over there. That's it. The reason I don't put LS in everything, it's a great engine. They truly are a great engine. It's a better design than a Gen 1. But I like being different. I don't know, everybody does LS swap now. Everybody LS swaps. I like popping the hood and then somebody seeing a Gen 1. Now, it used to be a shocker to see a LS cause it was something different. But now it's a shocker when a car out there doing this thing and getting down, you pull the hood and they see a old school small block or something, they like, man, what? Now the old school motor is the shocker. So I like going with the old school motors now too. Just for that reason, just to be different. Now, the LS versus conventional discussion, the LS is a better design. It's newer technology. Of course, it's a better design and stuff. From the block to the heads to everything. But to make, if you talking stock to stock or LS, man, you can't touch it. Just period, you can't touch it, man. But you know, all these nice aftermarket parts they make for these small blocks and big blocks is what evens the playing field. It's just a choice. And when you put these aftermarket parts on these small blocks, they get pretty serious. Even if you change the degree of the head and stuff, what you getting up there in money, you know, dollar for dollar, you can't make the power LS make. But if you want to, when you spend the money, you know, if you set up a Gen 1 small block like a LS, you got a real dangerous engine. I'm talking about unlimited power. When you set the degree, the valve angle and everything up the same, you're talking about a whole nother ball game. But that's out the point. Anyway, it ain't no secret, Big Meech is getting the big block. Big Meech is getting the big block. I already know what it's getting. That's like I said, all that is going to look. But I don't think people understand what level this car gonna be on, cause people talking about go ahead and do it. Now, to be all the way honest, I have never said when I officially plan on putting this car together. This car will not be put together with the big block until another 2 years. Yes, another 2 years. It's just my choice, my financial choice, man, cause I know what I got going on in my life, and I can't just stop everything just to build a car. That ain't, even though it's my job now, that ain't the smartest thing to do. And I could probably afford it, but it's just not the smartest thing to do. You know, it ain't fair too, cause the way I do, when I do stuff and I buy stuff for these cars, even though, like I said, it's my career now, I always get my family something, man. I like to spoil my family, man. That's who really got your back. You know what I'm saying? Especially my wife. My wife been down from the beginning. Like we been together since she been in college. We actually dated in high school too. We didn't go to the same high school, but we dated in high school too for a little bit. That's when I first met her and stuff. Then, you know, went our ways, and then she was in college. Man, we been together since she was in college on up now. So, you know, I like to spoil my family and stuff. They got my back. When I buy some car part, I always ask them if they want something. They don't even ask for money. I have to just actually get them something, man, cause I mean, the kids always damn something, but my wife, she literally don't ask for nothing. Every time I just randomly ask her, hey, do you want something? She don't want nothing, man. So I have to literally just go buy stuff sometimes, you know, to show love. So I'm not starting on this car, man, till 2022. People saying it's a long time, man, but I'm not starting this car next year because of what I'm doing. And what I'm doing to this car, it's probably gonna take me about 8 months. It'll take me about 8 months. It could take less on the financial tip, but and that's just because I don't want to just pour it all at one time. I don't want to do that. But it depends on the work, you know, how people who's gonna touch the car and how long that takes. But I'm not doing any. This car gonna be took off the frame. Or I tell y'all this much. I wasn't even gonna say this. It's the frame gonna be braced. The middle section gonna be cut out and stuff, so it's gonna be tubed. The car will be lighter than the average box Chevy. It's not gonna look like it. It's gonna sit right back on there. It's gonna be a full interior car. It's gonna have cage and all that. Cause safety, how fast this car gonna be, it's got to have it. I'm telling you, I don't think people don't understand, man. People thinking, a mile of big block, this and that. Nah, man, I'm talking 1400 and up in horsepower. Seriously. So when I start this build, I won't be doing multiple stuff like I'm doing now. Like y'all see me turning wrenches on 2 and 3 cars. I won't be doing it. Because of the level of this build, it's gonna have to have all the attention and focus. And I'm not trying to do that next year. So that's why I said, what should I do? That's why I was saying I might buy another crate motor just to get the car running for now. That's why I was getting that transmission ready, that 700 R4. Because I don't want this car sitting. If I don't put an engine in this car will sit to 2022. I don't really want that in my heart. That's why I said, let me know what y'all think. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm going to go with what I want to go with. But I always like to read because people will have great ideas and stuff, man. You know, somebody will throw something out there you didn't think of, and you're like, hey, I can do that. So that's what I need to know as far as Meech. What to do with Meech, because I do not want this car sitting to 2022. But honest to God, it will, because I'm not starting on it next year. I'm not doing it. Because I probably do 2 more cars next year. 2 different cars, 2 different builds. But either way, I'm going to build a car every year. I will have a build going every year. So, and I still got stuff to do to the Camaro back there. But, and this one, I'm going to give y'all this much. I had something going. Well, I got something going. I ain't saying had. I got something going for this car. But I'm kind of changing my mind on what I'm going to do. And it ain't going backward, it's going forward. And all of that. So, I want to tell y'all, but I can't. I can't tell y'all. And I sold my wheels for a reason too. The wheels, when y'all see the wheels that's gonna be coming for this car, it's gonna be sick. Gonna be sick. And the update y'all on wifey car, the Monte Carlo. Alright. 30 days clearly been over. 30 days been over, man. But I didn't get the car running. And yeah, it's my fault, cause hey man, the wiring stuff whooped me. It whooped me. And from then I waiting on So I made the choice though, but I made the choice to take it somewhere, so I didn't get it running in time. Bad y'all, camera stopped. But yeah, I made the choice that I didn't. So I didn't get it running in time, 30 days, but it's all good, man. I put that, y'all saw how fast I put that engine in there and all that. I attempted to get it running. But today, y'all looking at this on Tuesday. So the car's supposed to be ready today. At least that's what he told me yesterday. The car's supposed to be ready today. And he had to put the electric fuel pump on there just cause I didn't feel like doing it. And change the thermostat housing to that swivel, which I was talking about, and get the starter wire straight, which he did. And he said something. I have to go down there and look, and I'll tell y'all what it was, cause somebody want to know. And I got a new starter, so he got to put the starter on. So it's supposed to be ready today. The day y'all looking at this video, Tuesday. So hopefully it is, man. Hopefully we'll be bringing that back home and have that running too. And I'm about to buy some wheels for her car too. Her car about to get put together real quick. Now that car will be together, and it's gonna be clean with what we plan on doing to it. It's going to be clean. That car should be together by March. I'm talking about painted wheels, the whole 9, new bezels. Like she getting all of this. We getting all of this. New bezels, new grill. She likes T-Air, so we're gonna put the T-Air on it. We'll be buying it from Steve Davis. Y'all make sure to go holler at Steve. He a dealer for T-Air grills. Y'all get at him. So we're gonna get that from fam Steve. Shop with your people. It's the only way I know. Whether they higher or lower, you shop with your people. I spend the money, I ain't tripping. So we're gonna get a new bezels, grill. We probably gonna take the chrome off the car. We're gonna take the chrome trimming off of her car, cause if we can't, she got chrome down here since it's a CL model. If we cannot find those chrome pieces at the bottom new, we're taking it off, cause it ain't gonna look good. You can't even bring them back. So the old pieces right there, if we can't find these for the Monte Carlo CL, we're taking it all off. Cause putting the car together, man, small details. New tail lights, all that, new headlights, we're gonna get everything. So about to get that ordered now. I'm gonna get that stuff ordered now, so when it come in, I'll be showing it. Cause like we literally finna get this car to the paint shop. It's finna be just like this. Gonna let her drive it about a month, then it's just boom, 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 boom. Ready. Hitting up one stop wheels and tires. I'm going to actually buy our wheels at the same time. So I'm gonna buy 2 sets of wheels from him. I'm gonna buy a set of 26s for Dolo, and I'm gonna buy, she want 22s, so I'm gonna buy a set of 22s for wifey Monte Carlo, both with steering wheels, center caps, all that stuff. So all that coming. That's what I said. And I'm doing all this before the year ends. I'm about to go in. I need to deduct. I need to bring the tax bill down. So look at Cuzzo call. Hold on. Hey, homeboy. Hey, look, I got you on the vlog, homeboy. Look, wait. He called. The race car man called when we on the vlog, y'all. Hey, man, what you gonna say to the vlog?
Hey, man, shout out the world. What's up, man? Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm coming back, man. They called to check up on Cuzzo, man.
Oh yeah, man. We be hollering at each other every day, y'all. Every day. So y'all make sure to go subscribe to my Cuzzo, man. Little Crazy Whips Addiction. It's on the screen right now. Cuzzo, I'm finna call you back. I'm finna wrap this vlog up in 2 minutes. Alright? Yeah. But yeah, man, that's my Cuzzo. Me and that man talk every day. Every day in the morning, boy, we get started. But yeah, I gotta pull up on him. We gotta pull up on him. But yeah, y'all, I got a video coming on the Camaro too. I got the video coming on the Camaro right here called. Y'all saw it was smoking. It was smoking. And off camera, I let the car run for a good little minute, and it didn't stop. So I know what it is though. So we're gonna be addressing that. I'm gonna be giving you some. If you want to know about turbos anyway, I'm gonna be giving you. It's gonna be an educational video too. So I got that coming. So yep. I got a new part for it coming too. But you gotta check the video out. You know what I'm saying? I got a video coming on that. But yeah, that's it. That's it. No wrench turning, none of that. It's all good, like I said. We just slow motion. It's slow motion every time. It ain't gonna be action all the time, man. When I get my wheels back running, it is. Cause I'm gonna have my choice, like which one I need to drive, or what I need to turn up, which one I want to take to the track. So yeah, we coming, man. We coming. I appreciate everybody bearing with me and all that. I appreciate y'all that bearing with me. It ain't a lot right now, you know. That's just how YouTube work, though. It's all good, man. We don't care about numbers. I just like doing this for people that enjoy watching and all that. So yeah, we coming and hey, watch this. Watch this. I said earlier, I said a couple of months ago, when I found out this one messed up, I said I already knew it was gonna happen. But watch how I'm in the year. People want to throw out they 10 cents and this and that. You should have did this and should have did that. But watch how I'm in the year. The bag being spent right now. That's all I can say. The bag is being spent, and watch how we gonna end this year with a bang. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I appreciate everybody. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.